In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write professional office reports in Microsoft Word efficiently. Our goal is to build reports that are clean, consistent, and fast to produce by leaning on Word's built-in automation. Start with core formatting so every new document looks professional from the first line. Choose a standard business font such as Calibri or Arial at 11 or 12 point. Keep paragraphs single-spaced, and separate them with one blank line for readability. Set margins to 1 inch on all sides, and keep text left aligned so your right margin is ragged. You can set margins from the Layout tab, and adjust font, size, and line spacing on the Home tab. If Word is adding extra space after paragraphs by default, set spacing after to 0 and simply press Enter twice between paragraphs. Next, use styles to create instant structure. On the Home tab, apply Heading 1 for main sections, Heading 2 for subsections, and Normal for body text. The power here is consistency. If you modify Heading 1 once, every top-level heading updates across the report. To move around quickly, open the navigation pane from the View tab. Your headings become clickable, making long documents easy to jump through. Once headings are in place, automate your table of contents. Go to the References tab, choose Table of Contents, and pick an automatic table. It pulls from your heading styles and can be refreshed at any time with Update Table, so you never have to renumber or repaginate by hand. For recurring reports, save time with a custom template. Create a .text that includes your logo and branding, preset styles and margins, and a standard cover page and signature block. Saving a template means every report starts with the right look, and the team doesn't have to rebuild formatting. Add page numbers by going to Insert, Page Number, and choose the bottom right position for a polished, professional feel. In Header and Footer tools, turn on Different First Page to keep the cover page clean. When adding charts, graphs, or images, insert them from the Insert tab, then right-click and choose Insert Caption, such as Figure 1. Market share. Word numbers figures automatically, and you can generate a list of figures at the front of the report from the References tab. Finally, polish with the editor under the Review tab. It will catch grammar, spelling, and clarity issues so your writing is as professional as your formatting. By using these tools together, you'll spend less time fixing layout and more time delivering clear, credible content.